Hello guys, in this video I will guide my subscribers how to make their own ChatGPT with text-to-speech output using Python. First, open PyCharm in your PC, then follow me. This is your code for ChatGPT. I already uploaded the code on GitHub. The link is provided in the description. After pasting the code in PyCharm, install these libraries: tkinter, OpenAI, OS, and GTTS. Let me explain the whole code. First, you need an API key. You can get your API key on the OpenAI website. Process to get the key is provided in the later part of the video. Line 10 to 16 defines to generate a response. Line 18 to 23 defines to give the response or output with voice. And from 25, it will design an UI where you can enter the prompt. Now, enter the API key and then press enter. Type your prompt and it will give the output. I entered the prompt as how to make YouTube videos trending, and see, this is the output I got.
The best way to make your YouTube videos trending.
For the API key, open your browser. Type OpenAI API in the search bar. Open the website. Now log in or sign up to OpenAI and then go to API slide. Here you can generate your API key. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe.